Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So in this video I will tell you how to get or use new Instagram Messenger. So if you will get it in your home screen, then you can get it from there. But if you don't have any option, you can click on this three line on the top right. Here you can see, and you need to click on settings. Here you will see the first option as update messaging. Just click on this one and you need to click on update. So your messaging has been updated. So here you can see I got messenger icon on the top right of my Instagram application. So what is the difference now? So you can also search your Facebook friend as well as Instagram friend from the search of this Instagram, and same is applicable for Facebook Messenger. Like here I will show you the example. If I will search for one of my Instagram page, one of my Instagram account, like here, see this is Facebook Messenger, but here see following on Instagram, you can see even I can see the Instagram users on my Facebook Messenger. So if I will click here and if I will type something here, you can see I have sent a text message. So here you can see the username, and just beside that you can see Instagram, but this is Messenger. So even from the Facebook Messenger I am able to send message to a Instagram user. So this is how they have merged this Facebook Messenger and Instagram message. So if you want to know how to remove this whatever you have done, then let me know. I will make a separate video on this one. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.